Hello today. I'm going to show you how to replace your tires. First, of course, in City Pizza, you should go to Gear 1 and pull the handbrake. Then, of course, you should support on the opposite side where you lift up your car by using wedges. And then go to the area where the bolts are and loosen the bolts a little bit, and halfway that's enough. After this, we push up the car by using a car jack. Jack up the car. After you jacked up the car, make an additional support underneath, and then of course pull out the bolts out of the system. Remove the tire, remove the wheel, and of course you can then clean the hub. After you clean that, you would make a little bit of brake fluid on it, and then you can get the other tire into position. Tighten all, but not too much, only in the minimum range, that's enough. After you tighten all, and this should be in a cross direction, you can remove the additional security stand underneath and get back the car onto the ground. Then, of course, use the torque wrench 120 Newton meter to tighten the bolts on the surface of the bottom, and then, of course, replace or get back the hub into position. Remove the wedges, job's done.